Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
What's up, y'all? Look at my earrings. Aren't those cute? But I'm with Trish. And we're about to go in IKEA. I'm looking for some organizational shelving and stuff. I'm trying to get my life together. So I need some shelving or some stuff to organize with. So I've been working on taking inventory of all my little knickknacks and thingies and gadgets and wisdom-a-hoosies and all that. So I'm not finished taking inventory, but I've started. So I want to look at some more shelving. So this is how we go. IKEA. Look at Trish. Yeah, I say living room. That stuff definitely made for short people. Oh, it looks like daycare furniture. What are you looking for again? Like organization stuff. Like shelving stuff. What is it?
I don't know. I don't work here.
Yeah, I say living room. This stuff definitely made for short people. Look, it looks like daycare furniture. See if I can fit it in.
Did you say you're looking for storage? I don't think that's storage related.
It's not.
Yeah.
But you might as well. When in Rome.
Hmm.
Okay, now I see if I can get it. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Nope. Too much at a time.
Hmm. It's so quiet in here. Quiet in here. It feels like a library.
Okay, tell me that ain't for a little person. I feel like I'm walking in a dollhouse. Oh, that's a cute little lamp. What the storage stuff at? Where the people who work here?
I'm gonna sit right here because I feel like you're gonna go down there and then come back.
Why would I come back? Grits when you can sit down.
I got scared for a moment when I was sitting in this chair.
Oh, these are only $22? Is this real? These are real, I think. I'm not, I know your car can't get it. I just need to know. Right now, I'm just trying to see what they have. Like, see what my options are. You know what I mean? How you don't know what I mean? I said it in English. You don't never be wanting to go to the gym, and plus you got on a dress. How you was gonna go to the gym? Home organization. I don't see no shelving yet. Maybe I just need to check the... Is there more stuff in there? I might need to check the website. Did we walk in a circle? No, we didn't. We didn't. We ain't passed the lighting yet.
Still walking. Still looking.
Yeah, I have been to IKEA plenty of times before. I just don't remember them ever having this many plants. I was so in love. I'm guessing it's around here. Look. You see all these shelving inside? I don't like any of that.
You don't like any of it?
Not that. Perhaps we'll see something that catches my eye. Perhaps. Oh, I like that. Whatever that is.
Are you talking about the bookshelf?
Yeah, I like those bookshelves. Yeah, these are nice. Good deal. Okay, so I went in IKEA, didn't see anything. Now we're going to Ulta. As much as I shop at Ulta, this is my first time ever going in and leaving out with nothing.
Disappointed.
Period.